This is an emergency action notification. Authorities are attempting to contain the outbreak. Military checkpoints have been established on all major highways. If you are still within an urban area, you are in immediate danger. Evacuate only, if instructed by local authorities.
They're lying. The roads aren't safe. The checkpoints are gone. They turned on their own soldiers. You can't trust the signal anymore. They're inside the cities, inside the stations.
This message originates from the emergency alert system. Please remain calm. Ellipsis points. Shelter indoors. Ellipsis points. Help is M-.